When you first log in to Beautiful AI, this is the screen that you'll see. This is the Workspace, and it shows all the different presentations that you're currently accessing. You can search by name. You can also sort by last modified or by name. There's an upgrade option where you can pay a monthly or an annual fee, but there's a lot that you can do without upgrading. Notifications, you can choose different ways to be notified by email, pop-ups, or Slack notifications. Question mark is get help. You can chat with the Beautiful AI team. You can view frequently asked questions. You can report site issues or take a tour. The tour is a 2-minute tutorial, and that was very beneficial. The person icon, you can update your email information and then update your preferences, such as using spell check. Over here on the left, you'll see personal. This is my personal workspace. You can create additional workspaces for teams, but that is part of the upgraded package. Other ways to organize is all presentations, presentations that are owned by me, presentations that are shared by me, and as you can see, I don't have any that are shared by me, and then presentations that I have view-only access. If you upgrade to the Pro, you can also add additional folders to organize your different projects. And then down here at the bottom is trash, where you can access deleted presentations that stay in the trash bin for 30 days before they're deleted.